Okay. But we're living in a not perfect world. What do I mean by not perfect world? Means you want to build some exceptions to the rules because you want to be able to do some stuff even if normal people can't do. For example, the manager will call you and would say, you know that document that we sent to this customer? Give him a 10% discount. But we sent it and the system would not allow me to do an update. You know what? You're fired. No, I'm really sorry. No, I can do it. I will do it. I will do it. Don't worry about that. So what happens in this case? You need to be able to build some exceptions. Okay? We call them exceptions, but we allow you to do them because it depends on what situation you're in. You want Prosper will fit to your organization. It's not your organization must fit into Prosper. We try to tell you that this is how it should work, but it's not. I don't decide. It's the organization that is implementing Prosper that will decide what needs to be done. If a certain person with certain capabilities, certain privileges must be able to do something, then you give that something. So what do we do? When you configure an object, you place an object in a template and you place a set for the new, a set for the edit, a set for available functions, and a set for when the parent is closed functions. You can expand there and insert an exception. An exception, you would say, when the status is this, specific status is this, I want you to give this person these types of functions. You know what that means? Means you are regulating an exception. You're saying, okay, I will build an exception into the system. To whom do you want to give this exception? You would tell me, give it to this person. When this person logs in and the status type of that thing, parent, is closed, let him do modify. Okay? Sometimes we have different types of exception. We have an exception on status types. We have an exceptions on specific statuses. Okay? So when the status type is this, allow him to do that. Or when the status is specifically this status UID, allow him to do that. Okay? You should not use this, but as we talked before, you have a tool set. My job is to provide you with this tool set to allow you, to tell you what's in it, and your job is to pick the correct tool for the correct place. You decide what you want to do. Do you want to give exceptions or don't give exceptions? It depends on, but we call them exceptions, so we configure the system normal, then later we find out that you might need an exception. You can build it, you can design it inside the system. Thank you.